Sports fans and analysts need fast, data-driven insights to make informed betting decisions. AI-powered conversational tools simplify complex sports data and deliver predictions in real time. Analyzing player statistics, team performance, historical trends, and betting odds manually is time-consuming and often overwhelming. Users need a smarter way to access reliable insights instantly. To address these challenges, Blackoffer developed the Valued Stats LLM-based betting prediction chatbot, an AI-powered assistant that combines large language models with sports analytics to deliver intelligent betting insights through natural conversations. The chatbot gathers real-time sports data, analyzes historical statistics and current trends using AI models, and responds to user queries with predictions, insights, and data-driven recommendations through a conversational interface. Key features include LLM-powered sports chatbot, AI betting predictions, natural language conversations, real-time sports data analysis, historical performance insights, intelligent recommendation engine. The solution enables users to access sports insights instantly, reduces manual analysis, improves decision-making, and delivers a more engaging and personalized betting experience.